Hello kids, it's Rex. Today we are going to draw and paint a hand. First, let's draw a nice hand. I love drawing and painting a hand. Try to draw and paint with me. I draw all the fingers with beautiful nails. Finally, I draw a heart ring. Awesome! Let's paint. Light cream. I use light cream for the skin. I'm going to paint the nails with rainbow colors. It's going to be so fun! If you enjoy watching this video, like and subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoy watching. I use red color for the thumb. For the index finger, orange. For the middle finger, yellow. I use green for the ring finger. I use blue for the little finger. Purple, this beautiful ring. Amazing! See you on next video.